Yeah, good morning. Glenn with Thomson Air Conditioning here. We were called out to this address because there was a power surge which caused a short in this system and it was creating smoke inside the building. So I came out here to diagnose it and see what's wrong with it. So I'm going to take this door off and see what's going on inside of it. Maybe I can determine what caused the smoke inside the building. Well, I think I found our culprit. This blower belt is beyond when it should have been replaced and the blower motor is seized. A power surge can burn out this motor and cause the smoke inside the building. I'm going to come around the other side of the machine and check on the filters now and see how those are doing. So there's a couple filters laying on the ground, which is not a really good indication. So let me get this door off and see what's going on inside here as well. Yep, that's where those filters go. So this system has apparently been run without filters for a little while, and there is a lot of dirt and debris on the indoor coil, which can cause this system to not work very efficiently. And the filters that are still inside this machine are very clogged, which can definitely hurt the machine in the long run and hurt efficiency as well. So I'll be doing a full write-up on this machine with some recommendations before I'm done. I'm actually going to look at the other unit and see what's wrong with it as well, or if there anything's wrong with it, because I don't know at this point. That's never a good sign. So that's something that I'll bring to their attention. And then we'll come around the other side and check the filters as well. We'll just turn that off for the time being. I don't want to listen to it. And it appears the last time these filters were changed was 3/28 of 2023. Yep, they're beyond due. And let's see here. Yep, the indoor coil has some dirt and debris on it as a result of not being serviced on a regular basis. So I'll do a full write-up on both of these systems after I finish diagnosing them completely. So this is a three-phase unit, so it does not have a capacitor for the indoor blower motor, so that's not something I can check on this particular unit. But there is a capacitor that goes to the condenser fan motor that I will be looking at, which is this guy right here. Now, typically these machines have a 10 microfarad capacitor on it, and this one is testing at just above 9, so I'll be recommending replacing that capacitor. And I'll open up this machine and check this capacitor while I'm here. This one is testing out at 10.5, so this capacitor is actually good. The condenser fan motor should be working efficiently. This is the temperature that's inside the building, which is 70.5. And this is the temperature of the air coming out of the machine right now, which is 54 degrees and dropping. We're basically looking for a 20-degree difference in temperature. So it appears this one's going to be working just fine. I just need to talk to them about changing the filters, doing the coil cleaning, and changing that capacitor, and obviously doing something about that belt squeal. So that's going to require a belt replacement and adjustment. And when we do that, we always check the amp draw on the motor to make sure that it's not overamping. I can actually change this by adjusting it. If I adjust this so the pulley is bigger, that means it spins this faster and it pulls more amps. So if it's overamping, I need to adjust the size of this pulley and then adjust the tension and take another amp draw and make sure that we're within specs for this motor. Otherwise, we'll burn it out again. It's spinning in the right direction, but it's over amping. So I need to make the pulley smaller and tighten up the tension a little bit. Success! This motor's rated for 5.2 amps and it was at 5.6. I've turned it down to 4.3 by adjusting the size of that pulley and adjusting the belt. Making sure that this thing's wired properly so it's spinning in the right direction. The compressor's spinning in the right direction, and I've got the correct amp draw on the blower motor. Once I have verified that the blower motor is running correctly and is not overamping, I take the time to clean the coils so that the system can operate properly without freezing or having any air restrictions.